In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a space key in Confluence safely. A space key is the short code you see in URLs and search filters. Keeping it accurate helps navigation, governance, and integrations. Here's how to update it carefully. First, open Confluence and head to the space you want to update. It's important to start inside the correct space so the settings you change affect the right content. Before making changes, make sure you have space admin permission. An easy way to verify: look for space settings in the left sidebar or the space menu. If you don't see it, you likely don't have the required access and will need an administrator to grant it. Once you've confirmed you're a space admin, open space settings. The exact layout varies by Confluence version, but you're looking for the area that contains space details. Next, locate the option related to the space key. This might appear as space details, space key, or sometimes rename space. Different versions label it differently, so take a moment to scan those sections. Now check whether your Confluence version allows changing the space key. Some deployments restrict this to prevent broken links. If you see a field for the key and it's editable, you're good to proceed. If it's locked or missing, that means your version or permissions don't permit changes, and you'll need to keep the existing key or consult your admin team for alternatives. If the field is available, enter the new space key. Keep it short, memorable, and unique to avoid conflicts. Many teams use a brief acronym in uppercase with no spaces. Double check spelling. This value will appear in links and filters across the site. When you're satisfied, save your changes. Confluence will apply the update to the space. This is a good moment to let your team know the key has changed so they can update any documentation or bookmarks. Finally, test access after the update. Try visiting a few old links or bookmarks that use the previous key and confirm you can still reach the right pages. Also, to search for the space by name and by the new key to ensure everything resolves as expected. If you notice any failures, update those links or create redirects if your environment supports them. That's it. You've opened the space, verified permissions, found the space key setting, confirmed your version supports the change, updated the key, saved, and tested access. Thanks for watching.